Got a medical problem? Our range of professional internal medicine doctors have been trained with you in mind. Our team of fully qualified doctors have years of experience and are waiting to meet your needs efficiently and quickly and with the highest level of dedication. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we'll maintain the highest level of patient care and service. All of our work is carried out to assured standards. So please, contact us today via any of our contact methods. Our friendly team is waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions you may have. Solving your health needs is our prime concern, so don't hesitate to get in contact with us.